Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update from Z-JAK Technologies. Still using Windows 10 because it works fine for now? If you've signed up for extended support, it probably feels fine, but that support ends in October 2026. After that, no more updates or security fixes. That's a serious risk for your business. Outdated systems can put data compliance and even cyber insurance at risk. Some PCs can upgrade to Windows 11. Others can't and might need replacing. The key is planning ahead. Don't wait until the deadline forces your hand. If you're not sure where you stand, we can help you plan a smooth, secure upgrade. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.